Had an absolutely perfect weekend. It could be changing today, though.
Yeah, as we head into tonight, especially, we're going to see the potential for some rain, and the humidity will come up ahead of that system today, so you may notice that even as we go into the afternoon hours. At the bus stop this morning, the kids heading back to school today, Dayton, Trotwood, we're going to see temperatures in the mid-60s. Will be partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and then as we head into the afternoon, coming home from school, 86, and it will start to feel more humid at that time, so things definitely heating up a little bit, but still dry weather is expected for most of our daylight hours today. But there's this big system back to the west that's going to bring in the rain chances overnight. You can see a lot of strong thunderstorm activity here across the central part of the country, working into Iowa and northern Missouri, and even along this warm front, we've had some developing thunderstorms. Back in Indiana, there's even a few areas where we have some spotty showers, so some of that could get into especially the northern counties as we head through the morning. But again, many of us will have to wait until tonight to get that next rain chance. And we do actually have a severe weather threat. Most of the Miami Valley included in a marginal risk for severe storms, which means we may see a warning or two. Back to the west, there's an even greater threat, a slight risk in Indiana, which does include Wayne County. And then even farther west in Illinois, there's an enhanced risk. So that's where most of the severe weather will be confined today. But as we go into the overnight hours and those storms continue to work eastward, although they'll be weakening, we still have the threat that we could see some stronger storms here in the Miami Valley. Our main issue looks like it'll be strong wind. We also have the potential for large hail. And this time around, even an isolated tornado, although it's a low threat, it is there. Heavy rain also an issue, especially if we get those thunderstorms moving over the same locations repeatedly. We could have some localized flooding. Now, in terms of how muggy it feels out there, not too bad this morning. Dew points are still in the upper 50s, close to 60, so it feels okay. But just off to the west and southwest, we have some very humid air with dew points in the upper 60s, even 70s in Chicago and Springfield. So that's the air that's going to be moving in for later today, and really high dew points are expected tomorrow. Here's Future Track showing a mix of clouds and some sun as we head through lunchtime. Dry weather is expected at noon, and then coming home at 5 o'clock, even things will be quiet then. It's not until probably after midnight that rain chance really goes up. You can see some stronger thunderstorms possibly coming through with heavy rain, gusty wind, and even some hail. And even tomorrow morning, if you're out early, we'll have the potential for some strong storms. But then in the afternoon, that threat tapers off to a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder. Definitely an unsettled period for us Monday night and through the day Tuesday. Up to 87 today, will be partly sunny with increasing humidity. Very low rain chance today, but that chance goes up tonight. Showers, thunderstorms likely. It'll be muggy with a low near 72. And then tomorrow's breezy and humid with more showers and storms and a high of 85 degrees. We can't rule out a lingering shower or two on Wednesday with highs closer to normal, 83. In your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, Thursday, Friday, humidity drops a bit. Highs will be in the low 80s, and we expect dry weather into the weekend, but it does look like we'll be heating up again, upper 80s near 90.